This is going to be a quick update because it's face melting hot here, so I won't be able to do this for long. I just wanted to show you the garden, and we're preparing for our summer solstice shared celebratory meal on Sunday. So let me just take you round our garden and see it in its beauty at the moment. We have potatoes, beetroot, carrots, basil, some lettuces, cabbages over the other side. Oh, it's nice and cool under here. This is our kiwi plant. The flowers have just arrived, so I don't know when the fruit will arrive. Oh, we've got some sweet corn here. And our grapevine's doing really well, and the raspberries. No fruit yet. We've got some strawberries, but that's about it. Oh. So excuse me washing all our herbs. This is for Thea. This is our giant pumpkin patch in the making. And this will be full of people on Sunday. And this is where we have been spending every day for the last 2 weeks. It's been so hot. Kids have been coming back to school and just jumping in, and it's the only way we can survive. Peas, beans here, a few purple sweet corn at the end. This is my chamomile supply for my tea. Let's have a look. Oh, that's Roy at the bottom there, sneezing. He's fixing the toilet sesh when we have lots of people. Let's have a look. This is our little area. That's where Ted is, under the blueberry bush. We're going to make some seats for here. This is where all the birds come for feeding. Oh my God, it's hot. We've got potatoes, onions, cabbages, I think, in this patch. Just want to take you down to the greenhouse, because for the first time ever we have some avocado plants growing. Look, 2 avocado plants coming on, and we've got some citron, which is lemon, and grapefruit plants coming on. So excited. I can't stay in here for long. Hang on a minute, let me go outside. I can't breathe. Whew. And we've got some pepper plants down there. All these are cabbages. So yeah, we're trying our best. This is all onion seeds from last year coming on. All more beetroot, broccoli plants growing in there. I've got to put this on, otherwise the chickens will ruin everything. So there's Roy. This is our lovely compost heap there from our toilet sesh. That's our outside toilet sesh there. We're going to expand the chicken pen down the bottom soon. So he's done it, voila. Okay. So much work to the garden. It's like turns wild if you leave it for a little while. Let's have a look. Can't get used to using this smartphone. It's shaking and going all over the place. Oh, we've just made this extra patch here for tomato plants. All of our tomato plants are here, and we've got some Brussels sprout plants and room for other things. Potatoes in the polytunnel and lots of other bits and pieces. This is we've redone the strawberry patch, so we haven't got much this year. But it went wild last year. And some random plants in this bit. Say hello, Roy.
Hello, hello. I'll go get a drink. I need a longer screw for the door.
Okay.
Jump one more screw in there.
Let me take you through here. Can't be out here too long, just so hot. Our fruit trees are doing really well. Oh. What? Nothing. Yeah, got some dead things, but we're hoping they're going to come alive. The olive trees died, but we think he's pretending, and apparently they do that and they're going to come back to life, so we will see. But we have a massive peach tree at the bottom and it's loaded. It's even dropping it so much. Look, everything's just going really well. Our raspberry hedge. I just wanted to take you to my favourite place in the garden. And Roy's done some chiropractic work on the neck of the dragon and it's just come to life. Let me see. I love our dragon. I'll go out and show you the other side. Now the cows aren't in the other field, we have lots of water, so that's good. Have to show you this. This is our dragon's head. Just look at that stone. We've done nothing to it, that's exactly how it is. We found it here somewhere on our land. And this is our dragon protecting us. There's not much soil in this on the back here. We want to grow loads of flowers. So give it another month or so and we should have lots of flowers on the back here. So that's it. And we allow people to come in and sit and look at our garden and sit by the well. So that's about it really. Got to go in because it's literally face melting weather. See you soon, bye. And we've got to find the button now.